Introduce highlight features or overview summary for VNNBBS 2022 upgraded wireless CarPlay adapter for iPhone, 4 factory wired Apple CarPlay car, wired to wireless CarPlay converter. Auto Connect, Plug Play, USB-A to USB-C cable, car model year, 2016 to 2022. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. High compatibility. This CarPlay wireless adapter can be compatible with 98% of vehicles with factory wired CarPlay function. Wired to wireless. With the wireless CarPlay adapter, you can easily convert wired CarPlay to wireless. No longer have to be bothered by wires. Smooth and stable. The Apple wireless CarPlay adapter retains the original version of Siri and the car's steering wheel, knob, touch screen, and other controls. It makes it easier to play music, get navigation, and hands-free calls. Made for iPhone CarPlay. It is just made for iPhone CarPlay. So your car must have a built-in factory wired CarPlay. Wireless CarPlay adapter. It works every for iPhone from the 5, running iOS 7.1, all the way up to the 12 Pro Max. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.